everyone, I'm Carl, and this week I built a lattice to use as a face for a laptop stand. Although it turned out okay, I think I made a few mistakes in the process, which I'll take a few notes of in this video. It still worked out great in the end, but I think it could have been a bit cleaner. Starting off, I think my first mistake was cutting the pieces to length at the start. This made it a bit more annoying to glue up. In fact, I think if I had left the pieces oversized and then flush cut them at the end, I think that would have made the whole piece a lot cleaner. This only goes for the end pieces. There are some decorative pieces on the inside which you can't really cut once they're glued in place. Okay, my second mistake was here. I used the jig I made last time to cut the pieces to it, which worked fantastically, and most of the pieces turned out exactly the same size. My mistake was not trimming the last part, which I just used as it came out. It was basically the leftover. Just by looking at it, it seemed to be pretty close, but it wasn't as precise as the others, so I really should have run that through again. Okay, since most of the pieces are exactly the same size and layout, I taped them together so I could cut all the lap joints together. But using tape held them in place mostly, but I think there were too many pieces for this to work properly, so there was some slipping. Next time I think I'll use a technique I saw Rex Kruger use in one of his latest videos, basically using double-sided tape and super glue, which I think would work out a lot better. Chiseling out the waist turned out to be surprisingly easy in this case. So I really don't have any problems with how this worked out. The only thing I need to do is be a bit more careful with the sewing. Most of the joints turned out to be pretty clean, but I think there were still a few gaps in the end. Okay, for the glue up I used PVA glue and a drop of super glue to hold the pieces in place while the PVA glue sets. This turned out to be really good, and I'll definitely be using this technique again. My biggest mistake here was not cleaning the squeeze out as soon as I put the piece in. I thought I could clean it up later, but turned out that there really isn't that much space to work in there. So again, I've got pieces of squeeze out on the final. Other than that, as I said, because there were some minor variations in size due to the last piece on the cutting, there was a lot of sanding involved. Too much sanding, in fact. which I didn't put in this video. But other than that, using super glue, I could just put a weighted board on top of this and it's set just fine. And after that it was just a question of painting it up and installing it in place. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, and if you haven't, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.